Welcome back. My name is Jeremy. This is InfiniteNorthwest.com e-video learning series to learn SEO. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about on-site optimization, things that you can do, basic things, basic changes that you can make to the site, to the code of your website to make it rank better. These are real basic changes. We can get into a little bit more in depth later, but today we're going to talk about the title tag, and keywording the title tag, the keyword density of the actual document, and keywords in your anchor text, and then also keywords in your URL. So these are basic site optimization tricks that you want to learn. You want to do these on every single one of your sites. This is good keywording practice. This is good practice. So let's get started. The easiest way that I thought of to be able to show you this is just to do it in Notepad. Let's do that. I've started a basic HTML document here. Let me just blow it up here so you guys can see it, maybe. Okay, this is a basic HTML document. Let's start with keywords in our title tag. We know just from looking at this basic HTML code, this would be a basic site. This has all the necessary components of a basic site, all the necessary tags, excuse me. If we look close, you can see the title tag here. This is going to be the first one that we're talking about. Here's all 5 of the ones that we're going to go over here. Okay, the title of this document would be document title. The title tag is what shows up in the top search engine bar here. Okay, so in my title on this document is Infinite Northwest Online Marketing Solutions, I believe. So let's take a look. There it is right there, Infinite Northwest Online Marketing Solutions for the Inland Northwest. And that's surrounded by the title tags. Great. Now, this has a couple keywords in it, but let's make sure when we're doing yours that yours includes keywords in it as well. So what is a keyword? A keyword is any phrase or word that describes your site, your website with relevance. In my case, my title tag could be a lot better. After looking at that, I should probably rewrite that. So I will do that, but let's take a look at let's choose a topic for this page. Let's say it's a plumbing website, okay? So let's say you're a plumber. The name, you're Joe, so we're going to go Joe's Plumbing. I like using that bar just because it looks real nice. You can separate groups of text with it pretty easily. Joe's Plumbing. What would be a keyword for plumbing? Leaky pipes, fix leaking pipes, things like that. Local plumbers. There you go. That's probably a good one. Maybe a geographic location. I live near Spokane, Washington. Let's do that. Spokane local plumber. Since 1907. I don't know. But if we take a look at this, the point is that we want to make sure that our title tag has some keywords in it. Spokane local plumber. Awesome. We have a geographic specific, and we want a local plumber. That's what we want. There's a good chance that that phrase may actually get entered into the search engine as a search query. So that's the importance of keywording. We want to make sure that anytime we're putting in keywords that they're relevant to our site, they're relevant to our products, they're relevant to our services. So keep doing that. Keep doing this with all of your sites. Make sure that your title tags, it's good to have your keywords towards the beginning of the title tag. A lot of times search engines will cut it off, browser bars will cut it off, so we want to make sure that it can be seen. You know, if a searcher can see their keyword, you know, they're probably going to be a lot more apt to click on it as well. So that's title tags. Let's get into the URL keywords. Now, when you're building these sites and saving them, you know, your index, you don't really have much choice. So your index.html, but anything else spidering from that index, you know, we can name it whatever we want. Technically, you could with your index and put up a redirect, but it's probably not a good idea. So, you know, if this was going to be live on the website, depending on what HTML editor you use, everybody designs websites or builds websites differently. Whatever program you use or application you use to do it, anytime you would save it is what we're talking about here. We're talking about keywords and URL. So what we want this to look like is, just say this is the title, just say this is the page for a contact page or something for this Joe's Plumbing. So what we would do is we would want to save this page as, how about contact Joe's Plumbing .html. What have I done? Joe's Plumbing keyword, or plumbing keywords in there. It's describing the page. It's telling everybody what's on it just by the actual file name. Awesome. Keep doing this. Do this for all of your pages. This is huge. You know, sites like Google, they don't go to your page. They don't look at it. They don't go through and read everything. You know, we have spiders, bots. It's all automated. So the easier that we can make it for those automation spiders, the better off our chances are going to be for ranking for our keywords of choice. This really does cover keywords in our URL. Keep doing this. We want whatever keywords are specific for that page, try to throw a few in the URL. Make sure they're at the beginning of the title tag. That's going to be the best way to describe these things on your site very easily. Keyword density is the percentage of the amount of times that the keyword that you're trying to rank for displays in your article, blog post, whatever you're writing. Let's take a look. What we've got here is our keyword is local plumber. Now, there's many ways that we can check the density of the keyword density for this word. So let's go ahead and do that right now. A good way to write your articles is to not worry about the keyword density. You know, don't write articles for the search engines. Don't specifically, intentionally try to use that keyword over and over and over and over again. If it's starting to look a little bit, if you can't read it and make it sound natural, that's not good. We want to think about user experience for the actual visitor, but always be conscious about what the actual search engines are looking for. So if we write these articles with correct, you know, with correct syntax as far as actually using the keyword in the article, we can, there's a pretty good chance that we will be able to get this to rank for that keyword. So what I've done here is I've just copied and pasted, or I've just copied all of this text, or at least just the body text here. We're looking for the keyword local plumber. Now you can go to keytools.seobook.com. You'll be able to choose it in the list of tools from there. So what you want to do here is just copy and paste the URL of your site in. You can set up different parameters for it, and this will give you the density of the keyword for all keywords in that document. It'll actually give you a list. So let me show you what this looks like. Let's do it for a well-known site. I'll just do it for my website. All right. You can see here my top words here: online marketing, search engine optimization. So it does a good job. It tells you what words are being used more frequently on your site. So this is all good practice. Keep writing your articles with this in mind. Always use your keywords that you're wanting to rank for. You know, instead of writing with those keywords in mind, write articles about that keyword, about that subject that has that keyword. That way we're not writing articles just for the search engine. We're actually creating great, relevant content for searchers and visitors to find, use, read, and we're not just trying to create content for the search engines. So that's it for keyword density. Let's move on. All right, the last thing that we're going to talk about today is keywording your header tags. Just from the name, header is going to be the first thing that visitors see. In addition to that, it's the first thing that the search engines see when they're visiting your page. It's the first thing that the spiders see besides visiting your page, when visiting your page, besides the meta tag information and everything like that, and your title. This is the actual part of the viewable, human-readable content that is first read. So let's make sure there's some keywords in it. This will be real quick. It pretty much combines everything that we've been doing today, so real easy. Let's take a look here. All right, now if we remember, this is our page that we've created. It's a contact page for Joe's Plumbing that we created in the previous segments. This document still has all the necessary elements of a valid HTML document. Let's look at the header tags. H1, contact a local plumber today, and H1. You can see I've got the keyword we're wanting to rank for in this header tag, local plumber. Very important. Like I said, this is going to be the first bit of human-readable text on your page, on this page, the contact.html, or whatever we choose to call it. So we want to make sure that these keywords are in our header tags. So I've done that. Once again, this is pretty good practice. You want to take these, these lessons and apply them to every single document that you write on the web, every single article that you write on the web. By doing this, you're creating excellent human-readable content, but also search engine relevant content. So we've done everything that we can do in our power, basics, for the basics, for our on-site optimization. I really hope that you guys learned something in this video. I apologize if you're not able to read some of the screenshots and everything like that. I'm trying to come up with a solution for that. So if you guys have any solutions for that, I'd love to hear about it. You guys can follow me on Twitter at InfiniteNW, at InfiniteNW, INFINETNW, Facebook, facebook.com/InfiniteNorthwest, one word, or visit our website at InfiniteNorthwest.com. Thanks for checking out the movies. Thanks for checking out these videos, guys. We'll see you next time. My name is Jeremy. Have a good one.